Danger? There's no danger. The danger is pulling the old one out. What up?
Just pushed the rolling turd outside.
So, speaking of rolling turds, where's Chad?
He's rolling a turd.
Here.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
I'm not really sure what the hell Brock's doing, but it should be interesting.
I used to have a little box of firecrackers and bottle rockets, and I don't know
Oh.
where it went.
Damn. I mean, we could make a flamethrower with some hairspray.
Yeah.
Or some WD-40.
Like D40. Boom!
You might poop then.
Yeah, he's probably really pooping in. By the time that can exploded in his face.
We could open the door real quick and throw an airbag in there.
Boom! I don't want to blow the plumbing out of the bathroom.
Well, just throw it on the floor.
I want to blow the concrete out of the faucet.
And it ain't got enough ass behind it. What's wrong?
Nothing now.
You feel better? Brock was trying to find a bottle rocket
I was waiting for one to come in there.
or something.
Start carrying around a Roman candle just for defense.
Self-defense can.
Okay, I'm okay with that, but we can't use them at the cabin because it will burn down.
Yeah.
That's a no-fly zone for
Well, if a
those.
freaking bottle rocket comes flying in underneath the bathroom door. Be ready for that Roman candle to be aimed at your ass, no matter where we're at.
Tamale! Where the fuck did I put my soda?
Oh, you're at the degreaser.
It is pretty fancy little setup.
I didn't bring the foam cannon because I didn't figure we needed it.
Say hello to my little friend.
Right.
Washer?
This is your little friend. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh shit.
Fuck, you leave it under a rock.
Yeah. I guess.
See? It's a cute little thing, isn't it?
Who's this?
Muck off.
Muck off. You muck off.
You muck off.
You muck off.
I like their soap a lot, actually.
Oh.
Is that it? Brock Hunter Caveman come out.
You're gonna want to use that one. This is the adjustable one. That one's for motorcycle, that one's for bicycle. Line it up and click it.
I thought it was
Nope.
turn like the other one.
Nope. It's line up and then click. See the little detent inside there? Yeah. Right there? You just push. Don't lose those little lashing straps, please.
Straight as skits, bud. It'll kill. Yeah, right?
Oh, we need the hook.
What in the fuck did you just do?
You fucked it up. God damn it, Steve. Well, you screwed something. Careful spraying your turbo. I don't really want to try. Let's try not to hit the inlet.
You got rubber glove?
I'm sure he does somewhere. That might be a home personal use only thing, though.
We had comments, or a comment.
I saw him.
I wonder if they all know how screwy it is to get to the back of that thing.
I don't think they do. I think they think it's just the top part of the dash. Like the main fascia.
Yeah.
I don't think they... I mean, maybe they do. I don't know. We could be just idiots. which I'm not disputing at all.
Not ruling that part out.
Yeah, I'm gonna make this a disclaimer. We're not professionals at all.
I'm not sure what would have gave that away, but
I mean, I just want to make that very clear and on record. Murder Nova says it really well. Because his followers page is called Moron Nation. He goes, and they call it that because he goes, we're morons. We know it. And I'm like, that resonates with me. Not saying he doesn't know what he's doing. He's a pretty smart guy. Him and Phantom both, but don't drink it.
Huh?
What'd you do that for?
I went like this, and it went out, and it did that again.
Oh, and blasted you? It'll take a minute to kind of figure out its life. Just give it a minute. Fine. It's got to prime itself.
I got the shit.
That's what she said. Yeah, I mean, it's nothing like melt your, peel your skin back or anything, hotsy or anything like that. It works all right. Does that remind you of your last exam?
Red.
Cough. Take a deep breath and cough.
Probably good.
It's almost empty. I might as well just fucking finish it off.
Alright, fine. Fuck it then. Don't listen to me.
Now you broke it.
Now you broke it.
How good is this degreaser shit?
It works pretty good. Like, it cleaned. That's been my best dirt bike chain cleaner I've used yet.
I'll be able to wipe your butt with it, bro.
No, he needs to keep it lubricated. He doesn't want it dry. He needs it lubricated. If it's dry, Brock's gotta get the stirrups out and hang on. The fuck did you spill on your exhaust?
I don't know. Chad's coffee, maybe?
No. Well, Jesus, if that's that coffee, no wonder Chad poops like a fucking horse. Don't you fucking dare. I will chuck my coffee cup at your head, motherfucker.
Remember that time you tried to throw shit into the bathroom door?
We're children. Do you feel it, Brock?
Danger?
Danger? There's no danger. The danger is pulling the old one off, not knowing how it was going to go. Little bit at a time.
I can come up with a little fucking solo on a guitar for that. Yeah. You can start coming up with the words, bro.
On God. Come here. Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, just watch your head.
I know. Come on. Forward. Listen, asshole, I'll jump off.
Cody's last ride.
Can't see anything.
Keep coming. Keep coming.
Why don't I just put you up on the top?
I got it.
Chad's just full of all kinds of the best tools ever. Mimi.
Almost, driver. Okay. Okay. Okay.
So you can be nose heavy.
Yeah. We need a strap to go up to the.
You have a big ass too that you strap out of my truck.
Oh, that's better. Hey, nice and easy. Go. Yeah. You're gonna have to be on the mode. Yeah.
You know that song?
Huh?
You know that song, Rack City?
Yeah.
Sketch, sketch, city, bitch. Made my truck blush by poking it in the butt.
I don't know if I would admit that.
The look on your face was great.
I'm not sure how to react to that one. Oh, missed.
Got it.
It is, though. It was rolling. Punch him in the lower. Go a little higher, then you're in a notch. There you go. Okay. Don't. Ta-da! This cab's in a little bit better shape.
It's not from ever and hide and need love forever and ever.
I'm fucked up. But when you take care of me forever and ever.
Okay, got your extensions.
Awesome, thank you.
You said like 5 or 6 or 10, right?
Yeah.
You need a wobbly too?
Nope.
You sure?
Yeah.
I almost got you to the ground. I should have put an adapter on the end of it to put a 3/8 just to fuck with them.
You should have put an adapter in the middle of it.
Yeah, it's back and forth. A quarter 3/8, then extension, and then go 3/8 back to a quarter.
You get a half at the end. Is there a wobbly anywhere?
That's not enough wobble for you?
Wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble, wobble, wobble.
Ironically, no. Oh, here it is. Oh, shit. Whoops, just knocked that over.
Almost enough extension.
Really? That wasn't enough?
No, to wobble.
Oh. I was like, Jesus. I found every quarter-inch drive extension I could find. Okay, I know we talked about this. I'm more than happy to come over and organize your tool set with you. But I know as soon as we do, someone's going to come in here and totally fuck it up.
Fuck it up.
Because we've done this before. And I've helped you before.
Yeah.
And I just found standard wrenches in the quarter-inch metric sockets. I'm like, what in the hell?
It's okay if you're working on a Dodge.
I mean, it makes sense to have them combined all the time, but moment of truth.
Alright, we'll hook up the negatives first.
Probably a good idea. Okay, that's on.
Power?
Yep.
Are we hot or no?
No, we're not hot.
Turn it off.
Keys out.
Keys out.
Door switch.
No. That buzzer has never... That's fucking annoying. It's never done that before.
On.
It's there.
Okay.
Oh god, I slipped. Ready?
Yep.
Might take some time to get some fuel back up there.
Hold on. Turn your key off. Okay, hit it.
Fuel pump's on, Jeff.
Nope. Fuel pump's not on. Pump. Okay.
Safety glasses on.
It's in neutral, right?
Oh yeah, rolled in
We'll
here.
find out.
Oh, she's gonna kick. You're good. Woo! Yay! Yeah, check engine light.
Damn it.
No ABS light though. Well, yeah, airbag, I assume. She's alive! Woo! You're gonna want to kill it here in a little while. If you want. Yeah, top it off coolant. But does that make you feel better?
It makes me feel a little better. I mean, it does and it doesn't, all in the same factor. They still have all that other shit to put together.
Yeah, but that can be pieced, and really it's not that much. It runs though. Did you have oil pressure?
That gauge wasn't hooked up.
Oil pressure gauge? What the fuck do you mean it wasn't hooked up? That oil pressure.
Well, yeah, it may not be sensing the headlights, so it's still dinging.
No, that'd only be if they're on high resistance.
Well, wait a minute. You should be able to pull the key and it should quit, right?
It didn't.
There's no problem.
Second gens. This is probably four-wheel drive shit.
because you turned it all the way back.
Oh. Oh, I put it in locked.
Auxiliary.
Auxiliary. Whoops.
Cause he's an Idaho cowboy, no Tennessee plowboy. He's wild as the Rockies he rides. A cougar in the canyon, the devil's home combined.